Okay, I got interrupted here in my balancing. Now we're doing a twin cam 113 custom piston ring fitment. How's that sound? So, dumbass over there sees his front piston. So we had a new front one made up. Then we honed the cylinder out to get it all round. And now we got a custom coating that is on these pistons that is a wearable coating. So they make them tight and they wear to fit. So here's how tight that is. So with my feeler gauge. So this here is a 1.5 feeler gauge right here. It says on there somewhere. Here, you're in charge now. So these go into what normally about 4 thou cones or something. So now we have less than 1.5 thou. So it's pretty much a press fit. So 1.5 thou right here, and by the time you get up to here, you have less than 1.5 thou, but it goes in the motor, so you get like 1/2 thou clearance. So what happens as these wear, it wears the clearance that it needs, and then when you got enough clearance, it quits wearing. Unless you're beat on it really hard, and it'll keep wearing. So this is basically we're about a 5/over bore size now, but we're using a standard piston because we had the coating put on there, which the coating brought up the clearance to what we needed, and then you'll wear in what you need. So now we got to fit the rings. So we got 10 over, because 060 is standard. We got 10 over oil rings. You don't need to be that close. And 65 over means we got a 5 over compression rings. So theoretically these should fit. Those will have to file. So that's what we're going to find out. You like your new name? Dumbass. That was my name about an hour ago. Okay, this is looks like a molly ring, so that should be a top ring. You didn't mix these up yet, did you? It doesn't say top or bottom, so we'll just have to go with it. Okay, when you put these in, you compress them, drop them, push, rotate, pull up on the back side a little bit, drop the piston in the hole to center it. Pull up. See gap? I'm going to have to blow it up to see in there. See it? The camera sheet? I can't see it. Okay, you want to have, on something like this, you're going to probably want to have about 18 to 20 thou gap. This is about 15 or 16. Oh yeah, you're loose. So you're good. If you actually really know what the real number is, you got to find a feeler gauge. Where's the feeler gauge at? Feeler gauge. What number you want?
About that one.
21?
Yeah.
No way. I'm going with 18.
Alright.
That's almost what it is, 18. Pretty close. It might be 18. Now 18 went in. Now if 19 is tight, 17, 19. See, that's tight, see? So you got 18.8 thousandths. You like that number?
18 is a good number.
I'm going to stay at 18. Okay, so this did not have to be filed to fit. It already fits. Now to pull these out, you can either be real careful, pull each one independently, or just go on the back side and just pull up. And it comes up straight up, see? You don't want to bend the ring, twist it, or screw it up. Now when you put the ring on the piston, do not put it on here and then wrap it around the damn thing. That will warp the ring and destroy it. You want to take your 2 thumbs, stick it in the glove, open up your thumb, push down up here, and roll it on in there. Straight and flat. You got that? Don't screw up your rings, because then we'll have to redo this again. Or you have to bring them here and have to straighten them for you. Which you can't do, but I do it anyway. Okay, that is a top ring. You know how I know it's a top ring? I got shit on it. Where's this one at? I thought I opened this already. Just now. Every package has got a ring on it. Okay, see how it's cast iron? That's second ring. See how it has molly face on it, or chrome face, some kind of shiny crap? That means it's top ring. Any kind of a marking goes up. See how there's a marking there? Put that up. Unless there's something on this side, it's a dot. No dot, no marking. Marking, no dot, marking goes up. Got that? You're not going to forget and do that wrong too, are you? Good. Okay, so you squeeze the ring together like that. Push it down. See a big massive gap in there? My gauge go. We're at least 18. We're golden. Pull it straight up, pull it out. Okay, chances are the rings are going to be good because all these are the same size. Yeah, I'm not going to mix these up at all for you, okay? See how I do that? Yep, big gap. See, the top ring has that nice big shiny mark on it. Easy to see. Second ring, I don't see any mark, but there's going to be one in there someplace. Has to have one. There it is. See the dimple? Or is that just a piece of crap I rubbed off? I'm assuming that's a dimple.
I see it.
That goes up. See how the side there's nothing? Big gap again. Yep, we're golden. Yep, and pull equally. Okay, so all of these are good. You know, if you lose one, you lose them all now, see? Okay, where's the ones we gotta work on? Oil ring. Now these are 10 over. We got a 5 over cylinder. So, usually, I bet you these fit. Usually oil rings are pretty loose. So all it's going to do is you're going to have a nice tight oil ring. We'll see. Yeah, a little tight. See a little dinky ass gap in there? You can barely see it. Not quite enough. See how it doesn't go in? Okay, so we have to file this now. Go over here and file it. This is your filer over here. This has a diamond wheel in here I put in here. So you push in on it, these two pins here pushes the ring together like that as you push on it, and you hold it down flat, and then when you rotate it, see how the ring can go uneven? So you got to rotate it with your palm of your hand square. So you need like 3 hands to do this, but we do it with 1. You take off the right amount. Was that the right amount?
Hope so. Looks like it.
We'll find out. Now these you can wrap on because they're real frail. See how thin they are? See, it don't matter. It doesn't hurt them. You do not wrap the top ring, so. Okay, see how the gap's a lot bigger now? It might be enough. Nope. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think it's. Check it, it's really close. Yeah, see how it goes back and forth a little bit? Okay, that's got enough. Okay, there's burrs on it, feel it. Feel the burrs on it? So this is a honing stone.
Okay.
The machinist found it. So I take my two fingers and just push down on it lightly. Go like that. See how it cuts it down a little bit?
Yeah.
I don't want to take the coating off, I just want to... Here, I gets real fine there.
Yeah.
Still hear the high spots in that. So they're gone.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you want. If you don't do that, they don't really work as good. The high spot has to wear down before things work correctly, usually. Okay, so you got basic zero gap in there.
Mm-hmm.
So they're consistent on the tight side, so that's good. Means you got good quality parts. They have. I'll take about the right amount. Will you count how many times I did that? I wasn't.
Nope. I will on the next one.
Okay. Should be a little bit looser. Yep, a little tighter. I was one crank short. Maybe. That was two, wasn't it? I miscounted. See how the gap looks wider now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's got good clearance. Got less burr on it too. I could just go do this right now, couldn't I? I've done that and then, oh, it was too small. It's too big already. Oh well. There's a gap in there somewhere. You see it?
There. Barely.
Yeah, barely is right. Tight. That thought 0.
7.
7? Okay. That wasn't counting. I just go by feel. That felt about right. Yeah, a little snug. Yeah, went in though, see? Maybe. Could be straight though. Yep. And the piston's not flat though. See, the ring has to be square. Square it up again. See, now it's not so tight. Not so loose, I mean.
Say 9 turns.
9's the secret number. So the first one's only got 8 turns on it then, right? That's why it's a little tighter. Oh yeah, a lot better. It's tight already. How many was that?
7.
7 again.
Mm-hmm.
I guess I'm dialed in for 7. That one's good though. Must have been pushing harder. Okay. I'm going to start my knife too. Might do the same thing. Did your wrist pins go through?
I didn't try to put it in there.
On Mikey's, they squeezed up a little bit. Yeah.
Too tight.
Piston got in the way. I don't know. What do you think?
Yep.
If I hit it a few times with a big hammer, it might go in. This is the used one though. You can bring me a new one.
And it's a new one in the box.
This one works better though.
That must be the old piston.
This must be the new piston.
That's the old one. I don't know. No, that's the new one.
See, look at the glue right there on the end. See, right there it's good. See how loose. It's getting looser though the more I do it. Wearing it in. See. Okay, I want to work this one. It's not going to fly. Put the hole up a little bit. Somebody got a hold of some kind of a pick tool. Was that you?
Yeah.
It looks like it.
Did you see the new one? Or does it matter?
No, the new one's good because the pin goes in the hole.
The new pin.
I don't know what the new pin is. If the used pin works, the new one should work. That's fun on the sharp side. Good enough for you. It didn't even make me bleed too much yet. It tried though. I charge extra for blood, you know that much. Okay, now I gotta clean it though. See, I got it dirty. Alright, that's how you do it. That's it for now.